What if Earth's core stopped spinning? A catastrophe hidden beneath our feet. Imagine a world where compasses spin wildly, GPS systems fail, and the northern lights vanish. Birds mid-migration plummet from the sky, and volcanoes erupt in unison like a planetary scream. This isn't the plot of a dystopian blockbuster. It's what could happen if Earth's fiery heart, its molten core, suddenly stopped spinning. The consequences would unravel life as we know it, revealing just how fragile our existence is tethered to forces deep within the planet. Earth's core is a seething, spinning dynamo, composed primarily of iron and nickel. The outer core's churning liquid metals generate Earth's magnetic field through a process called the geodynamo. This magnetic shield deflects deadly solar radiation, guides animal migrations, and powers modern navigation systems. But if this engine stalled, the fallout would be swift and catastrophic. The first domino to fall would be the collapse of the magnetosphere, Earth's invisible force field. Without the core's motion, the magnetic field would weaken and vanish within centuries, leaving the planet exposed to solar winds. These charged particles would bombard the atmosphere, slowly stripping it away, much like what happened to Mars billions of years ago. Over millennia, our blue sky could fade into a desolate haze. But the immediate effects would be just as dire. Radiation levels would spike, increasing cancer rates, crippling satellites, and frying power grids. Auroras, those ethereal polar lights, would disappear overnight, their beauty replaced by a silent, invisible crisis. Millions of species rely on Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Sea turtles, monarch butterflies, and migratory birds would lose their internal GPS, wandering aimlessly. Ecosystems would unravel as species fail to find breeding grounds or food sources. Agriculture would falter as pollinators like bees struggle to orient themselves. The collapse of the biosphere's rhythms would ripple through the food chain, threatening biodiversity on a global scale. The core's rotation doesn't just power the magnetic field, it also influences tectonic activity. A sudden halt would disrupt the delicate balance between the core and mantle, triggering extreme geological chaos. Earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude would shake continents, and supervolcanoes could awaken from millennia-long slumbers. Tsunamis might ravage coastlines, while magma chambers beneath dormant volcanoes pressurize explosively. The planet's crust, once stable, would become a fractured shell of its former self. Earth's rotation isn't immune to the core's whims. The core and mantle are locked in a gravitational tango. If the core stops, the mantle's spin could slow or wobble. Days might stretch longer, altering climate patterns and destabilizing weather systems. Hurricanes could become more violent, and deserts might expand as jet streams go rogue. Time itself, the rhythm of days and seasons, would become unpredictable. While scientists assure us the core won't stop spinning anytime soon, it's been churning for over 4 billion years. This nightmare scenario underscores how little control we have over the planet's hidden machinery. Yet, it also highlights Earth's incredible fine-tuning for life. The core's spin is a silent guardian, a testament to the delicate balance that allows life to thrive. So the next time you glance at a compass or marvel at the northern lights, remember, deep below your feet, a molten heart beats, keeping the apocalypse at bay. Our survival hinges on forces we can't see, and that's what makes them so terrifyingly awe-inspiring.